Hi, welcome to our home renovation. This unit we bought with the original condition, which is a 20 years ago interior and style. And this one is our first floor. So a little bit of background why we choose this unit to buy. So because of the patio here is quite big and we purposely looking for the level 1 or the big patio one because we want to buy the house so that my parents-in-law can stay and my father-in-law love gardening, so that's why we looking for the big balcony or big patio. So that's a little bit of a background, but unfortunately my father-in-law passed away before we did the handover, but we believe that he in a better place now in heaven with Jesus Christ. So this a little bit of background. So let's start with the renovation tour. So this one is the living area, and you can see here the ceiling is quite high. So originally it's not that high, but we request to make it higher because on top of this one got some more like 2 meters above the ceiling. So you can see that here is quite spacious, and here is the patio. So the patio have a 2 level. So the top one and the lower one. The patio also have full of sun and also got the raining, so it's actually quite like a self-watering. So this one can plant for many herb or many tropical plants. Here we do a little bit of renovation here because originally this one is the storage room, that the door is from that side, and also this one got the kitchen as well. So that's why you can see here there is a DV box here that can be covered with the frame or the picture or photos here. And this one we make it like one room, so can be used for study room, or also we can use for the dining room as well. Let's go to the rooms. So this is the first common bedroom. So the common bedroom facing to our patio, which is our garden. So this one here you can see the garden. The wardrobe, we make a new one, so we built in the new wardrobe, and also the ceiling is high. We make a full height ceiling wardrobe, so it will be big enough because the storage we already knocked down. So now we make up it the storage area. We come in the room itself, so the wardrobe is a high ceiling and the depth is also quite deep. So this is the common toilet area. So the original is a very small and also very old furniture, old wood as well. So we changed this one, the tiles, and also the cabinet, so become more modern. And we choose the travel theme tiles because we like to travel a lot, so we hope that this one we can see all the world. Next is the second common bedroom. So this a common bedroom also got the view here to the outside. It's quite greenery here, and also with the big wardrobe also. A full ceiling, and this one can keep the big items, so also like a big luggage also you can put it here because it's quite deep also and it's very high. Next we go to the master room. So same thing, the master room also we have built the high ceiling wardrobe, and then here also we can have the view of our gardening as well. The space is quite big for the master room, also can fit the king size room. For the master bathroom, we did change position of the layout. So this is not the original layout. So we changed to make it more bigger. And also we take out the bathtub also because it's very old. And also we changed to the shower type. So we can have a bigger shower. And then the tile also we change into the modern looks. So next is to the kitchen. So originally this one is the closed kitchen concept, so we knock down this one and we make it become the open concept kitchen. So here also the cabinet is also high ceiling and the depth also quite deep, and can put in store many things, and the big item also can storage there. And here we make it like a steamboat table. So we have the plug here, and then you can do the steamboat here for gathering. And also we can eat here because here got a bench inside. here, this one got the bench, and we have here a little bit of space here. We make it a entry cabinet, so for the entrance when you want to put things. And the left over here, we only have a mount here, so we make it become a spice rack. So moving on to the back, the yard area. So this one is the rubbish trash here, so we make it this one a double door because we're afraid that the smell can come in. So actually it's not coming, but we just in case, so we make a double door. So this one we can do the sliding door, make sure that the smell from outside cannot come in, especially when we are cooking. So that's all for the home tour. Hope you enjoy it and you have got some inspiration for this one. And see you later. Bye bye.